Okay, John, here's the house. This is the same layout, but different doors. So as you can see, this is the front entrance of the house. So you got the room here, and then they took this out, so they don't have the step up and the step down. And of course the stone wall, but remember I was telling you how they opened it up? So all of this is gone. And so they actually just opened all of this up, man. Look at that. Sweet. So what I understand is that these two walls, the ones that are in the house, are not load bearing. So you're good there. It looks like the pillars out front are the load bearers, and of course you've got the outside wall there. But yeah, so you don't have any wall here at all. So it's just all wide open. So and again, this is the door, and this is the kitchen. So they opened this entire area up. So hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll go from there. Thanks, man.